This wig is part of their summer collection. This is Bonnie, and she is absolutely stunning. The color on this, I mean, this is like stuff that you pay way too much money at the salon to have done. Like, I am obsessed with this color, you guys. I'm obsessed. So Bonnie hair is the color 223R. It's a mousse brown. The color is described as truffle brown with light blonde highlights. The way that they have this colored is just next level. So this is 100% human Remy hair, so you can style it however you'd like. I've been wearing a lot of synthetics lately, so I have not even touched my human hair wigs in months at this point. And I forgot how much I love human hair. It's just, I love my synthetics, but there's something that feels luxurious about your human hair wigs. So she's 16 inches long. It's like the perfect length. It's not too long. It won't get all tangly in the back like some of those really long pieces will. I absolutely love it. But since it's human hair, you can style it however you want. What I did when I first got this wig, so it had a little bit, y'all know me, I like some beachy undone curls. I don't like super curly hair. I like it a little bit more straightened at the ends. So this did come curled already with that center part. So like I said, I changed it to a side part, and then I just used my flat iron to create a little bit more of a kind of relaxed curl than what it came in. So I'll show you how I do that with my flat iron. So you're just gonna grab a section with your flat iron, and I like to just kind of smooth it out, and then you're just going to twist your flat iron around. I like to kind of hold it at the ends, so that way it gives you kind of that straightened kind of casual feel, which I really like. So again, just kind of twist it around, and then it gives you this really nice. And then I did not go through this whole entire wig and curl it. I just kind of went around the pieces around my face, and then I went through and I just kind of took the bottoms and straightened them out like that, so that they weren't so curled under. And it's just, I mean, ready to go. You may need to tweak the style a little bit to make it your own, like you do any other wig, but it's beautiful. You guys, I'm in love. I'm in love. Okay, so one other thing that I'll mention is that the density on this is 130%, which I feel like is a perfect density. That's usually what I get out of a wig, is 130%. I feel like it gives you enough fullness and it doesn't feel like it's too much hair. So I personally feel like 130% is the sweet spot. It's really natural. It's not overdone. So yeah, let's take a look at the cap, shall we? So, all right, you guys, so excuse my wig hair, but it does come with lace that you need to trim. So it comes with about 1 inch of lace that you'll need to trim. I like to use these kind of scissors. So it does come with a little bit of lace that you can trim back. But like I said, it has that lace that runs all the way to your ears right here. So you have full flexibility to style this away from your face. And then it has that monofilament base right here. It's a 5x5 monofilament base. So it does create that beautiful illusion. I'm obsessed. Let's put her back on because I don't want to take her off yet. Thank you all for watching. I hope that you have a wonderful weekend. Bye.